Hello to all and welcome back to my online lectures. This is Neeraj Motwani. Today I am here with a topic of class 10th, similar triangles. This is my fourth part of similar triangles. Let's have a quick recapitulation that what we have learnt in our previous videos. In our previous videos, based on similarity of triangles, we have learnt about similarity of polygons, similarity of triangles, basic proportionality theorem also known as Thales theorem, converse of BPT, angle criterion, side criterion, side criterion. Starting with theorem 6.7 of NCERT statement. If a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right angle triangle to the hypotenuse, then triangles on both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and to each other. Given a right angle triangle ABC which is right angled at B. To prove that triangles on either side of perpendicular BD are similar with triangle ABC and are similar with each other also. For that we need to construct from point B, drop a perpendicular BD on side AC. That is BD is perpendicular on AC. Proof. In triangle ABC and triangle ADB, closely observe both the triangles. Angle A equals to angle A, common angle ABC equals to angle ADB, both are 90 degree. So, by angle criterion, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB. Similarly, you can prove for triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC for the same reason. That is, triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. That's what we need to prove. Now next theorem in the row is Pythagoras theorem. It's theorem 6.8 of NCERT. You all are well aware about Pythagoras theorem. Now here to prove Pythagoras theorem. So starting with the statement part, in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of other two sides. According to our figure, we need to prove that AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Now proof. We are given a right angle triangle ABC which is right angled at B. We need to prove AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. The proof is very simple. Let us draw BD perpendicular on AC. Now triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB. Remember it, theorem 6.7? If the two triangles are similar, then the sides must be in proportion. That is AD upon AB equals to AB upon AC. Or we can also write it as, after cross multiplication, AD into AC equals to AB square. Also, triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. Again theorem 6.7. And again, if the triangles are similar, then the side must be in proportion. So CD upon BC equals to BC upon AC. On cross multiplication, we get CD into AC equals to BC square. Equation number 2. So when we add equation number 1 and 2, what we get? AD into AC plus CD into AC equals to AB square plus BC square. Taking out common AC from LHS, what left is AD plus CD. But AD plus CD according to our figure forms AC, right? So ultimately we get AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. That's Pythagoras theorem. Thank you. For any query you can contact me.